Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Telegram app. So let's get into it. Number 1. Start a Telegram one-on-one chat. Open Telegram. Tap the pencil icon in the lower right corner. Select a contact. Start sending a message. Number 2. Start a Telegram group conversation. Open Telegram. Tap the pencil icon in the lower right. Create a new group conversation by clicking on New Group and selecting multiple contacts from your contact list. Number 3. Start a Telegram secret chat. Open Telegram. Tap the pencil icon in the lower right corner. Tap New Secret Chat. Select a contact to start a secret chat. Last but not the least, start a Telegram voice or video call. Open Telegram. Go to the menu on the top left. Tap Contacts and select someone from your contact list. Tap that contact. Then tap the 3 vertical dots on the top of the resulting screen. And select either call or video call. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.